Let's get to know your Shark IQ robot's self-empty base. The self-empty base is designed to hold up to 30 days of cleanings. You can check the status of your dustbin here in the debris window. When it appears full, follow these steps to empty the base dustbin. To detach the dustbin, press the release button on top of the dock, then slide the bin out. To empty the bin, hold it over the trash, then press the release button with the trash can icon on the bottom of the bin. The bin lid will open, releasing dust and debris. Lightly tap the dustbin to knock off any remaining debris. Reinstall the bin by sliding it into the slot in the base until it clicks into place. The filters on the self-empty base need to be cleaned to maintain optimal performance. To clean the pre-motor filters, press both release tabs and tilt to remove the filter door on the right side of the dock. Then remove the foam filter by the top handle. Then lift out the felt filter underneath. Rinse the pre-motor filters with water and allow 24 hours for them to air dry before reinstalling. To reinstall the pre-motor filters, insert the felt filter first, then the foam filter. Once filters are in place, reattach the filter door to the dock. The pre-motor foam and felt filters should be cleaned once a month. To clean the post-motor filter, press the tab on the filter door, then tilt the door, lift off, and remove the filter. Remove the foam from the filter, then tap the filter over the trash bin to release any stuck-on dust. When finished, reattach the foam to the filter and reinstall. The post-motor filter should be cleaned every year. For additional assistance, see the Help section of your app, visit our support page, or call our customer service at this number.